What if you could make your 50-year-old cells act like they're 20 again? Not by turning them into stem cells, and definitely not with any genetic modification. This isn't science fiction anymore. This just happened. For most of human history, aging was seen as a one-way street. Wrinkles, slower healing, weaker tissues, and a higher risk of disease were just considered inevitable. We thought the process was irreversible, but a team of scientists in Cambridge just published research that might flip that entire idea on its head. They found a way to turn back the clock on human cells, and it could change everything we know about getting older. So, how did they do it? The team at the Babraham Institute used a Nobel Prize winning technique called cellular reprogramming. Normally, this process takes an adult cell, like a skin cell, and rewinds it all the way back to a stem cell, a blank slate that can become any type of cell. But that's not what they did here. Instead, they got creative. They started the reprogramming process but stopped it partway through. Think of it like a software update that you cancel before it finishes. The result was astonishing. The old skin cells effectively forgot their age, but they still remembered their job. They were still skin cells, just younger. And this wasn't just a cosmetic change. These rejuvenated cells didn't just look younger, they acted younger. They started producing significantly more collagen, the protein that keeps our skin firm and elastic. But here's the most incredible part. They measured the cell's biological age using something called an epigenetic clock, which is the gold standard for this kind of research. Now, it's crucial to be clear. This is still very early research.